Welcome to Skyway Classics YouTube channel with Shane and Kevin. Here today to show you a 1991 50 LX Ford Mustang. This car is a black with the two-tone gray and black and cloth interior. Nice new set of tires and wheels on it, looks like. Real clean paint. The car is really in overall really great condition. Doesn't have any waves in the paint, any door dings. Yeah, just a good looking 50 Mustang. It is an automatic car. Power windows. Got power lumbar driver's seat. And she looks pretty much just unmolested, so come and check it out. Alright, we got the test drive, 1991 Ford Mustang 5.0 LX. Automatic. Alright, we already checked the horn, it blows. The air conditioning probably needs charged, but it is working. It's not blowing super cold right now. Power windows work. Does the dope light work?
Yes, it does.
It does work. Darn. Looks like you got a good RPM gauge, good voltage meter, oil pressure, fuel tank. The speedo bounces a little tiny bit as far as that's concerned, but it seems to drive real nice and stop real nice and turn real nice. So come and check it out.